This is an electric actuator with relatively high thrust. It has a maximum thrust of 600 kilograms. There are two options for head and tail installation. One is flat bottom thread, D10 through hole with D10 lifting lugs. Tail installation options include flat bottom and lug. Customizable based on customer needs. Actuator options, 12V and 24V. Choose a DC motor. Equipped it with a 3-speed switch. 12V actuator. Speed is 4.5 millimeters per second. Let's check by extending and retracting it. Compared to this actuator, it is relatively quiet. Basically, no noise.